Excuse me? You can't enter with a serious face. This is कौन बनेगा first bencher, not your boring science class.
But I just want a chance to win and sit on the first bench. Please.
That bench is not for the toppers. That is for survivors of the quiz.
Good morning, scholars and sleepers. I'm your host, Gupta Bachchan, the legend who once passed without studying. Where are the audience, sir? Some are hiding from homework, others are dreaming of recess. Let's begin the quiz. आज के हमारे पहले कंटेस्टेंट हैं स्वराज सिंह मछान. तो कंप्यूटर जी, स्वराज सिंह मछान के बारे में कुछ तो बताइए हमें.
Loading student profile, loading student profile, strength, helping others, weakness, talking too much, like, getting scolded, dislike, nothing, not even test.
तो स्वराज, आपका पहला प्रश्न 1000 पॉइंट्स के लिए स्क्रीन पर ये रहा. What makes your mom appear like magic? ध्यान से सुनिएगा. What makes your mom appear like magic? Option A, sleep past 8 a.m. Option B, clean room. Option C, watch reels. और Option D, say you are hungry. आपके पास 45 सेकंड है, मींस 45 सेकंड्स है. आपका टाइम स्टार्ट होता है अब.
I would go with option A.
You would like to go with option A, sleep past 8 a.m.
Yes, definitely.
Correct answer. You got 1000 points. तो स्वराज, आपका दूसरा प्रश्न 3000 पॉइंट्स के लिए ये रहा. पिछला प्रश्न तो आपने बहुत अच्छा किया. अब ये वाला प्रश्न देखते हैं. What's a traffic cop best at? What's a traffic cop best at? Option A, dancing. Option B, whistling. Option C, hand signs. और Option D, appearing magically when you break a rule. आपके पास फिर से 45 सेकंड है. आपका टाइम स्टार्ट होता है अब.
It definitely can't be dancing. I'm not sure. I want to choose a lifeline.
Which lifeline? You have 3 lifeline. 50-50, call the expert or audience poll.
I would choose audience poll.
So you know what happens in audience poll?
Yes.
In audience poll, the audience will answer the question and the highest option with the percentage, you can choose it or you can go with your answer. So you want to use it?
Yes.
कंप्यूटर मार्शल जी, audience poll को अंकित किया जाए.
Audience poll activated.
So audience poll activate हो चुकी है. ऑडियंस, अब ये आपकी बारी है कि आप स्वराज सिंह मछान को हेल्प कीजिए और अपने फोन में आंसर टाइप कीजिए. सो कंप्यूटर मार्शल जी, स्कोर क्या है?
The highest point got by C.
सी. सो क्या करना चाहेंगे आप?
I would definitely like to go with the audience.
You'd like to go with the audience. So कंप्यूटर मार्शल जी, ऑप्शन डी को लॉक किया जाए.
Options D locked.
Correct answer, Swaraj. Again, you won 3000 points.
Thank you, audience.
So now the last question for 7000 points is on your way. What happens if you don't send good morning to 10 people? Option A, phone crashes. Option B, relative call. Option C, bad luck. Or Option D, nothing. You have much time, you can utilize it. If you have studied anywhere in your books.
I would like to use another lifeline.
One more lifeline. We have 2 lifeline, call the expert and 50-50. Which one?
I would like to choose the 50-50.
50-50. Okay. So in 50-50, 2 wrong options will be removed. So कंप्यूटर मार्शल जी, एक और लाइफलाइन स्वराज चाहते हैं तो उसको अंकित कर दिया जाए जो है 50-50.
50-50 lifeline activated. A and B options are removed.
So स्वराज, अब A और B ऑप्शन रिमूव हो चुके हैं. अब बचा है C, बैड लक और D, रिलेटिव कॉल। तो अब आप क्या करेंगे?
I would choose another lifeline, please.
So you would like to choose last lifeline, call the expert?
Yes.
ओके, कंप्यूटर महाशय जी, इसी क्वेश्चन के लिए एक और लाइफलाइन कॉल द एक्सपर्ट को अंकित किया जाए।
Call the expert. Lifeline activated.
सो आज की हमारी एक्सपर्ट है आर्यान सावंत। आर्यान जी नमस्कार। सो ये स्वराज है जिनको एक क्वेश्चन में समस्या आ रही है। सो स्वराज, you will have 40 seconds to say question to him and next voice will be of yours and he also have 40 seconds to answer. So आपका समय अब शुरू होता है।
नमस्ते आर्यांश जी, तो हमें आपकी हेल्प चाहिए। What happens if you don't send good morning to 10 people? Bad luck or nothing?
I think it's bad luck. So Suraj, now what would you like to do? Thank you, हमारे एक्सपर्ट जी। बाय बाय। So Suraj, अब आप क्या करना चाहेंगे? देखिए, आप क्विट भी कर सकते हैं या आप अपनी लाइफ को रिस्क में डाल के अपने पैसे लेने जा सकते हैं।
I would take my 3,000 and piece of.
Good decision, Swaraj. So last answer was you choose one, bad luck or nothing. You need to choose before you go.
I would choose nothing.
Correct answer. If you would play it, you would win 7,000 rupees. But it was a good decision. It was an honor to play with you, Swaraj. Thank you.
Welcome.
If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.
Our students are not just learning English, they are discovering their voice.